How to delete Reddit community. Go ahead and open up your Reddit application and make sure you are logged in. Tap on the three horizontal line at the top. Now right here, you have to go ahead and tap on your community. You can tap on the ones recently viewed or anyone under your community. Once you are in here, tap on Mod Tools. Scroll down until you find the option of Moderators. Tap on it. From here, tap on Editable. Then tap on the three-dot icon. Then tap on Remove. This is because you cannot directly delete a community from Reddit, so you just have to remove yourself as a moderator so that it no longer displays on your profile. If you face any difficulty on the deletion, check for your Wi-Fi connection. If not, to check for a bug issue, press and hold your Reddit app and head to App Info. Force stop it, then head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Once you do this, you can also check for an update. For that, open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Reddit. If there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, you can continue with the process. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.